Hello everybody and welcome back to Sandy Flett's Kids Art School. It's been such a long time, but I've finally come out with my next video, which is how to draw a ninja. In fact, Futoshi the ninja, who's one of the characters out of my new book, Juno Jones. Juno Jones is written and created by the amazing and hilarious Kate Gordon, and it's published by Yellow Brick Books and illustrated by me. Yeah, so look out for it in shops. And here's a ninja. Actually, yeah, no, sorry, that's my gorgeous dog, Domino. Okay, sorry, back to it. This is Futoshi the ninja, and he's jumping up in the air and saying, hi-ya! Yes, he's full of beans and savviness and all those sort of things that ninjas need. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's draw the picture. So we're going to start with his head, which is basically one of those round things called a circle. So let's get that loop going. There we go. I'll bring the paper a bit closer. Now I'm going to draw a line across just sort of above the middle, and this is where his face is going to peek through. There we go. Another line underneath, and it's going to curve. I'll put 2 dots there just so you can see where to start and finish. There we go. And we'll go down and up and down and up. Now I'm going to draw the eyes, and they're basically just 2 little dots. One there and one over the other side. And his nose is like an upside down U. Yes, strange but true. There are his eyebrows, little upside down C's, and a little curve underneath on his face mask. A little bit of a wrinkle there. Okay, let's draw the arms. A ninja needs arms, after all, to do his karate chops. So let's start with the one on the left, and we're going to go up and around and down and around and down to the waist. There we go. Let's start on the other side now. And up and around and up a little bit and across and down. There we go. You've got 2 arms. Doing well. Okay, let's do the legs, and across and around and down and around and up and down. And you can see the picture underneath probably slight little bit. I left it there so that you could sort of see what you're heading towards. Here's the other leg, down and up and across, and there we go. You pretty much got his body. You're almost there. Well done, you and me and, you know, the whole world for drawing ninjas. Okay, here's a hand. Now, if you need to, pause it after I've drawn this and you can just copy what I've done, because it is a little bit fiddly. But there we go. There's one hand, and then the other one on the other side, because ninjas kind of need 2 hands, although one-handed ninja would be pretty clever and I'm sure would be possible. And there we go. Fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and across. And you notice that his thumbs are both pointing in towards his head, because if they didn't, his hand would be upside down, which would look a little bit unusual. Okay, 2 legs, 2 lines for one leg, and down for the foot and up and curve and finish there. And let's do the other leg. I'll move the paper back a bit for you. There we go. Now we're going to do 2 lines again. There we go. And the foot curves down, around and up. And oh my goodness, we're nearly done. Looking good. All right, let's do the little sort of thin triangles. These are for like the bows at the back of his head. There's one and another. And now we're going to do the waistband, which every ninja needs to look super ninja-ish, if that's a word. And I've done 2 dots for you to join up. And then we'll do another one just across there on the diagonal. And then another sort of little thin triangle-y bit there. There we go. And one more. Yes. Okay. Well done. You've done it. You've drawn Futoshi the ninja. Pat on the back for you. Well done. Okay, now to make him look like he's moving, I put movement lines. Yes, like that. You can do the same thing. Just sort of makes him look a little bit more springy. There we go. Moving the paper a little bit just makes it easier. And oh my goodness, here is a major Juno Jones fan. This is Xavier. He's so wrapped up in this book. It's so amazing. He says, do not disturb. And there we go. I'm going to colour in my Futoshi, and you can colour yours in whatever colour you want to. Could be pink or green or purple or orange or whatever. Okay, time for Kids Art School Gallery. This is where you guys can send me photos of your pictures. And what I'm going to show you today is a fantastic drawing of me. It looks just like me, and it's drawn by a beautiful girl who sent it to me and gave it to me as a present, which I just love. And I think what I am here is Catwoman Sandy. Yes, I think that's awesome and very, very, very special, and I'm very grateful. So send me your pictures. So wherever you are across the world, because did you know there's kids watching all over the world? Yes. If you put your pictures in, kids will see it all over the world. And remember, you are unique and special, and God loves you so much. And if you like my video, don't forget to share, press like, add a comment, and subscribe to keep up to date. And I'll see you later, guys. Bye. And if you want to, don't forget, you can buy your own copy of Juno Jones' Word Ninja, and I will be putting the links down below and on my website as to where you can buy it. It is fun. It is hilarious. It is so well drawn, if I do say so myself. Bye.